Good morning everyone. It's me Arjun Pokhrel. Once again, welcome to you all in my online class. Today I am going to teach second part of classification of plants and animals. Dear students, in the previous class, I already told you about why classification is necessary, what do you mean by classification, what is taxonomy, okay, what do you mean by binomial system of nomenclature, etc. in the previous class. Today I am going to teach taxonomic category and hierarchy. Okay, today I am going to teach what? Taxonomy, category and hierarchy. First of all, what do you mean by taxonomic category? Here you can see in the screen species, genus, family, order, class, division, kingdom. These all are called taxonomic category. Okay, species, genus, family, order, class, division and kingdom. These all are taxonomic category. Taxonomic categories. Okay, the various grouping levels or ranks in classification. These are what? Various grouping levels or rank in what? Classification are known as taxonomic category. And kingdom what? Plantae, Angiosperm, Dicotyledon, Roselles, Rosaceae, okay, Rosa, Indica. These are what? These are called taxa. Okay, these are called what? Taxa and singular taxon. Kingdom is the taxonomic category. Plantae is what? Taxon. Division taxonomic category. Angiosperm what? Taxon. So the obligate taxonomic categories is kingdom, division, class, order, family, genus and species. Okay, the sequence of taxonomic categories in classification is called taxonomical hierarchy. Okay, there are 7 taxonomic categories in a hierarchy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, what? 7. There are 7 taxonomic categories in a hierarchy of classification. Okay, and all of these taxonomic categories should be arranged in a what? Sequence. Arranged in what? Sequence. It means first there should be kingdom, then after division, then after class, then after order, then after family, then after genus, and then after what? Species. Okay, dear students, first what? Kingdom, then what? Phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. Okay, when we move from kingdom to species, okay, its character, it means the character of the any organism will be what? Specific. Understand? In order to understand the taxonomic category, I have made one simple formula for all my students. That is, keep high clean, other family get sick. Okay, simply keep high clean. Keep means K for kingdom, high means phylum, clean C for class, other O for order, family, then G for genus, S for what? Species. Okay, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. Okay, species is what? Basic unit, lowermost category. Okay, and kingdom is what? Highest category. Okay, you need to remember species is the lowest category and kingdom is what? Highest category. Okay, as we go from species to the kingdom, understand? As we go from species to what? Kingdom in our taxonomic hierarchy. Okay, as we go from species to the kingdom in our taxonomic hierarchy, the number of common characters will what? Decrease. Okay, the number of common characters will what? Decrease. Understand? And if we go from kingdom to species, okay, kingdom to what? Species, the number of common characters what? Increase. Understand? Taxon of bird is apes and category is class. Understand? Class, this class is what? Category. Dicotyledon, that is what? Taxon. Understand? Now, species. I am going to discuss about 7 taxonomic categories. First one is the species. It is the group of individuals which are similar in all aspects. For example, human beings are the species. Okay, it is what? Group of individuals which are similar. Which are what? Similar in all aspects. Okay, in all aspects, not any some aspects. Similar in all aspects, and they can interbreed freely. It means they can produce fertile offspring. Okay, if they can produce fertile offspring, then they are considered as species, common species. Human beings are the common species. Human beings, elephant, bird, and other animals, rhinoceros, tiger. These are what? These are what? Different species. Okay. Interbreeding is possible only in the common species and not possible in the different species. Okay, and the offspring produced by the common species, okay, are also what? Fertile. Okay, freely with each other and produce fertile offspring. They also produce fertile offspring. Next is the genus. The group of closely related species is called genus. Closely related species is called what? Genus. Like that, closely related genus is called family. Okay, closely related species is called genus. Closely related genus is called family. Then closely related family is called what? Order. Okay, closely related family is called order, and closely related order is called what? Class. Group of closely related order is called class. Like that, the group of closely related class is called division. Okay, the group of closely related division is called what? Kingdom. Okay, kingdom is ranked in the highest category, and species is in the lowest category. Understand? Highest category, lowest category. There are how many categories in a hierarchy of classification? 7 categories. Okay, there are how many categories? 7 categories. In what? In hierarchy of classification. Hierarchy means rank. Okay, you need to understand hierarchy means rank. Okay, there should be what? Sequence. Understand? Sequence means kingdom, then after division, then after class, then after order, then after family, then after genus, then after species. We cannot write during classification that kingdom, then after order, then after division, okay, then genus, then family. Do not write in such a way. We should write in a rank. Okay, now classification. I already told you in the it is the process of placing already identified organism in proper group such as division, class, order, family, genus, and species. Classification is done on the basis of similar and dissimilar characteristics of the organisms. Okay, classification, I already told you what are the advantages of classification. Okay, it helps to study of the all organisms, all living organisms easier, systematic. Okay, it helps to understand the properties of the plants and animals and other organisms easily, quickly. Okay, that's why classification is very necessary. We also classified all of the elements, hydrogen, helium, lithium. Okay, likewise. Why? To understand the properties of these elements easily. Like that, we should classify all of the plants and animals in order to understand their properties clearly. Okay, first 2 kingdom system of classification was introduced. Firstly, okay, first of all, 2 kingdom system was introduced, proposed by Carolus Linnaeus. Okay, he is also known as what? Father of taxonomy. 2 kingdom system was proposed or introduced by the famous taxonomist, the Carolus Linnaeus. He is also considered as the father of taxonomy. Okay, he classified all of the organisms which were found on the earth into 2 kingdoms. Okay, he classified all of the plants and animals which are found on the earth into two kingdoms. What are they? They are, okay, according to Carlos Linnaeus, two kingdoms are kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia. First of all, kingdom Plantae. What are the characteristics of kingdom Plantae? Kingdom Plantae includes all plant normally. Okay, we know that the cell of the plant, in the cell of the plant, there should be what? Cell wall. And they are autotroph. Autotroph means what? They can prepare their own food. And absence of locomotion. Locomotion means what? Absence of locomotion means plants cannot move from one place to another place like animals. And absence of what? Nervous system, well developed nervous system is also lacking in the plant. And these all are the characteristics of plant, kingdom plants. And another one, kingdom what? Animal. Absence of cell wall. No cell wall in the animal. All animals are what? Heterotrophic. Heterotrophic means what? They cannot prepare their own food. And they depend on other organisms for food. And presence of what? Locomotion. It means what? Animals can move from one place to another place. And presence of nervous system. Okay, we also have nervous system, highly developed nervous system. Okay, sense organ. And it includes protozoa, bacteria, animals, all animals. Okay. What are the limitations of two kingdom system of classification? Now, I am going to tell what are the limitations, what are the drawbacks, what are the demerits of two kingdom system of classification. First of all, Carlos Linnaeus introduced two kingdom system of classification, but there were some drawbacks. There were some limitations. What are they? Okay, limitations. It kept prokaryotes with eukaryotes in same kingdom. Prokaryotic as well as eukaryotic organisms were included in the same kingdom in two kingdom system of classification. Okay. What do you mean by prokaryotic organism? Those organisms which do not have true nucleus. What do you mean by eukaryotic organism? Those organisms which have true nucleus. Okay. Those organisms which do not have true nucleus are called prokaryotic organism or prokaryotes. Those have true nucleus are called eukaryotes. But in case of two kingdom system of classification, both prokaryotes as well as eukaryotes are included in the same kingdom. Okay, unicellular and multicellular organisms were kept in the same kingdom. No separate kingdoms for unicellular and multicellular organisms. It keeps non-photosynthetic fungi. It keeps non-photosynthetic fungi with plant. Likewise, it is unable to classify virus. Okay. It is unable to classify virus. What do you mean by virus? You know that nowadays one of the pandemic virus, that is COVID-19, is spreading day by day. Okay, it is considered as living as well as non-living things. Okay, Carlos Linnaeus, in case of two kingdom system classified, there is no proper position, no suitable arrangement for the virus, and like that, bacteria could not be classified in both kingdoms. Okay, bacteria could not be classified in both kingdoms. These all are drawbacks. Then, lichen is dual organism. Dual organism means shows the property of two different organisms, different characters. Okay, is kept in kingdom Plantae. This is also another drawback. And Euglena, which show both autotrophic and heterotrophic. Okay, Euglena is unicellular organism and it shows both autotrophic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Okay, kept in both kingdoms. That is also another drawback. Slime mold, unicellular organisms lack cell wall in vegetative stage but present in reproductive stage. Okay, but kept in both kingdom. Now, due to so many drawbacks of two kingdom system of classification, another kingdom system of classification was introduced. Okay, now I am going to tell what is this. This is five kingdom system of classification, and a five kingdom system of classification was introduced or proposed by Robert Whittaker, R.H. Whittaker, in 1969 AD. Okay, five kingdom system of classification, two kingdom system of classification was rejected. Okay, then after five kingdom system of classification was introduced. Okay, and this system was proposed by R.H. Whittaker in 1969 AD. Okay, he classified all of the organisms which are found on the earth into five kingdoms on the basis of following characteristics, following criteria. Okay, first is that complexity of cell. Okay, either prokaryotic cell or eukaryotic cell. Next one is the complexity of organisms body, that is unicellular or multicellular. And third one is that mode of nutrition, that is autotrophic or heterotrophic. He also classified organisms on the basis of their phylogenetic relationship, their evolutionary history also. And these are the main criteria, that is complexity of cell, either prokaryotic or eukaryotic, complexity of organisms body, that is unicellular or multicellular, and mode of nutrition, that is autotrophic or heterotrophic mode of nutrition. He classified all of the organisms which are found on the earth into five kingdoms. What are they? They are, the five kingdoms are, first one is Monera, kingdom Monera. Okay, Carlos Linnaeus classified organisms into only two kingdoms. They are kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia. But R.H. Whittaker in 1969 AD classified the organisms into five kingdoms. They are kingdom Monera, kingdom Mycota, kingdom Plantae, kingdom Animalia. Okay, like this. First one is the kingdom Monera. It includes unicellular prokaryotic organism. Unicellular and prokaryotic, those organisms which do not have true nucleus are called prokaryotic organism. Example, bacteria, blue-green algae. Another one is the kingdom Protista. It includes what? All unicellular and eukaryotic organism. Okay. Unicellular organisms are included in both Monera and Protista. But in case of Monera, only prokaryotic organisms are included. But in case of Protista, unicellular but eukaryotic organism. Eukaryotic means what? Those organisms which have true nucleus. Okay, those organisms which have true nucleus. Example, protozoan. Next one, Mycota. It is also known as kingdom fungi, which includes multicellular and decomposers. Okay, example what? Mushroom. Multicellular and decomposers. They do not have, they are what, heterotrophs. They cannot prepare their own food. Next one, kingdom Plantae. It includes multicellular producers, multicellular organisms as well as producers, autotrophs. Example, all green plants, algae. Okay, and last one is kingdom Animalia. It includes all multicellular animals, all multicellular consumers. Okay, all multicellular heterotrophs. Example, all animals, human beings, birds, okay, cow, buffalo, etc. These all are what? Included in kingdom Animalia. Thank you, my dear students, for watching. Don't miss any class. In the next class, I will teach classification of plants and animals, part 3. Thank you.